we have to check if triangle ACB is congruent to DCE. What we have given here? We have given that C is the midpoint of BE and DA. So let me write this, because C is the midpoint of BE segment and DA segment. This is given. We have that AC segment is congruent to AC segment is congruent to DC segment, because if C is the midpoint, then AC is equal to DC. So we have this is from that C is the midpoint, and also BE is divided to two equal parts. So we have that CB is congruent to CE, because CB is equal to CE. This we have from that C is the midpoint. So we have that side AC is congruent to DC, or we can CD, it doesn't matter, and BC or CB, we can call this segment, is congruent to segment CE. So let's put 2 marks on these sides. And now we see that we have here vertical angles, and we know that vertical angles are congruent. So let me write that angle ACB is congruent to angle DCE, because they are vertical angles. Right, are congruent. So we have two sides congruent, and angles between these two sides are congruent. So by side angle side congruence postulat, triangle ACB is congruent to triangle DCE. This is my solution.